So guys, I've come here some weeks later, and I've seen they have done something. They have added those seats over there. You can see what is happening over here. That's the stadium, the update of this stadium here in Mombasa, the Mombasa Stadium. You can see what they have done so far until now. They've just added some seats over here, but the stadium is going very, very slow. Right now I can't see any workers around, but I can see there's a crane over there. You can see there's a crane over there, but I don't see any workers around. It is lunchtime right now, and I think most of the workers have left for lunch, but no one is here so far. But what I can say is they have tried to add some extra seats over here, painted the steels with the blue color to represent the color of Mombasa, yeah, the blue economy, white and blue. You know that in Mombasa town also they've painted the building white and blue, and right now you can see also the stadium has been painted white and blue. But from the structure outside the Mombasa Stadium, I see it is white and red. So I don't know if this is the final color or it's just the primer color of these steels. But you can see few workers around there, yeah, and also the crane on the other side. But this is what is happening in this area of Mombasa Stadium, yeah. Wow. So guys, I'm inside the stadium. So things have changed over here. Things have changed. So much has been happening here. I've seen when I was here last time, only this section of the stadium was completed, but I've seen they have added so much seats on this side. So work is going on here very well. You can see the structure is here, the platform, the concrete and everything is here. And yeah, so they told me I think in the next 1 year, I think this stadium will be completed. That's what they are telling me, but let's see how it will go until now. But things are good. So guys, today I've entered the stadium, and they told me that this will be the changing rooms, and it will be going 3 floors up from this foundation over here. So it will be going 3 floors up. There will be a hall inside this stadium. There will be changing rooms, washrooms for the players and everything, yeah. So this is just the structure of this place, yeah. This will be the changing room. This is the foundation of the 3-floor building going up for the stadium. And yeah, so in the next few months things will be different around here, yeah. And they told me that those are not the actual seats. That's what the people concerned told me, that these are not the actual seats. These are just the base of the seats. They'll install some seats for this stadium. So you can see what is going on over here. So those are the shades over there. Those are the shades of this stadium on top of those seat-like structure. So that's what is going on. You can see the steels, the materials and everything. I remember a long time ago I came here to do some competition, running competition. We came here and also participate running in this stadium when I was very young in primary school. And after there the stadium was done, yeah, until recently when it was again relaunched to be constructed again. But see what is happening here. Those are the heavy steels which are been installed in this stadium. Those are the sitting areas. So they told me that this sitting area over here, they'll be doing some concrete, adding some concrete around this sitting area, and also they'll be installing the seats. So these are not the actual seats, guys. These are just the structure of the seats. Seats will come later on, yeah. So in a few months things will be different over here, and that's very, very good. So see what is happening over here, guys. So this is the actual update of the construction of this Mombasa Stadium around here. See how it is. Wow, this is nice. Look at that, guys. So guys, right now I'm inside the Mombasa newly constructed Mombasa Stadium here in this area of Mombasa CBD in Tononoka. See Tononoka buildings over there, Tononoka neighborhoods, and this is the Mombasa the county Mombasa County Stadium. Yeah, so that's how things are. Wow. So work here is going on very, very well. You can see the steels over here. People are working here. The workers are working here very, very nice and very, very well. Painting, doing some work over here. This is good. So you can see. Wow. So those are just the structure of the seats. That's how it is. So they'll be installing the actual seats over there. This is just the structure. So they'll be installing some seats over there. The shades will be here. Yeah, the main construction will be on the other side, 3-floor building on the other side, where they'll be putting some changing rooms. There'll be a conference hall over there, and also some washroom over there. So things are growing, and the vision is there, I can see, because the person in charge told me that what will be happening here, and I can't wait for this stadium to be finished, and yeah, so that people can come here, play football and enjoy and have fun over here. Yeah, so this is amazing, guys. So this is the newly Mombasa County Stadium here in the area of Tononoka. Wow, this is amazing, guys. This is super, super nice. Wow. So I'm so happy because the person in charge of this stadium allowed me to go inside here so that I can able to show people what is happening here. So that's why I'm just walking here very freely and enjoying my time here in this area of Tononoka Mombasa Stadium. Wow, this is nice. Wow, this is amazing, guys. Very, very nice. So I can't wait for this stadium to be done so that we can able to enjoy our time here in this area of Tononoka, guys. Wow. Nice. So that's the update of what is happening in this area of Tononoka grounds. So this is very, very good. So in the few months to come, I'll be coming here again so that I can able to give you guys the update of this stadium again. So let's go out. But this is what is happening in this stadium over here. So guys, I'm outside the stadium. As you can see, that's the structure, how it is, the Mombasa County Stadium here in this area of Tononoka. You can see County Government of Mombasa project proposed developed of Mombasa County Stadium. Client, Department of Youth, Gender, Sports and Cultural Affairs. You can see there, client. Who is the client? Client is the Department of Youth, Gender, Sports and Cultural Affairs, County Government of Mombasa. Overall supervision by the Chief Officer, Department of Transport and Infrastructure. Project Manager is Director Works, Department of Transport and Infrastructure. And main contractor is Sitara Suppliers and Construction Limited. Yeah, so that's how the stadium will be looking like. You can see, very, very nice. It's amazing, right? Yeah. So guys, I can't wait for this stadium to be completed. I know that these walls will be painted again, or they'll be brought down and constructed again to be a very good wall, and also painted very well, so that the stadium can be nice. And also they'll be adding some parking lots, because people will be coming here with their cars so that they can park and go inside the stadium. So there will be gate 1, gate 2, I think several gates in this stadium. So this is very nice. I can't wait for this stadium to be completed so that we can able to come again here and enjoy watching football, playing and doing several kind of competition around this area of Mombasa Stadium, Mombasa County Stadium, because it has a new name. Because last time when I was here and I was young, they were calling it Mombasa Stadium, but right now you can see it's Mombasa County Stadium here in Mombasa. So this is nice, guys. I'm so happy that this stadium is going on well. You can see parking lot. These are cars that are coming from neighborhoods over here. So they've decided to come and park their cars over here because the stadium is not over yet. But when the stadium is completed, I don't think people will be parking their cars here. Yeah. All of this, they'll be removed and there will be no parking lot here for just anyone, but for the people entering the stadium, but not the residents around this area. Yeah, so this is how it is. The stadium is coming up very well, and that's the update of what is happening in this area of Mombasa Stadium here in Tononoka. Yeah, so what do you think? What do you think? Tell me on the comment section. What do you think? Do you think that the stadium is worth it for the people of Mombasa? 1, 2, tell me if the structure of the stadium, do you think is a good structure? Is it a very presentable structure that I've shown you guys? Tell me on the comment section so that I can able to know. But right now I'm off. So those are the updates. I'll be coming here time after time so that I can able to show you guys what is happening in terms of the development of this stadium, little after little, until this stadium is done. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next update. Bye bye.